Hello my dear students, welcome back to chemistry class. In the last class from polymers chapter, we have studied classification of polymers, polyamides category and polyesters category and natural rubbers along with vulcanization procedure. All that we have studied in the last class. So remaining part of polymers I want to be complete here in this video class. Okay now? Okay. Now first of all I am going to start with addition polymers. So one by one, what are the addition polymers are there? Their respective monomers and structures. Okay, in that first one is I want to say that LDPE. What is meant by LDPE? Low density polyethylene, or we can say low density polyethylene. So how to prepare low density polyethylene? Low density polyethylene, it was prepared from the monomer. The monomer is nothing but ethene, n moles of CH2 double bond CH2. So number of monomer units we have to be considered, that is nothing but the n moles of ethene. Such n moles of monomer ethene undergo the process addition polymerization. Addition polymerization takes place by using suitable temperature 350 to 370 Kelvin. And low density polyethylenes, density low means we have to apply high pressure. So high pressure we required here around 1000 to 2000 atmosphere. And also in this reaction we have to be use one of the suitable catalyst, that is nothing but what beta peroxide. Okay, now we can use, and also we can use one more catalyst, that is nothing but the traces of oxygen also we can use beta. Okay, right. So definitely number of ethane units during polymerization, they goes to be connected by the what beta continuous covalent bonds, and they are going to form the chain, that is nothing but the low density polyethylene. So formation of covalent bond, double bond becomes single bond, again here for CH2, again one more, okay, now pi bonding electron given to the next monomer. So this chain we can continue like this manner. So this is the structure of ethene, and also we can say that low density polyethylene. Okay, now good. So what are the uses of low density polyethylene? Low density polyethylenes, they goes to be used in making what beta? Flexible pipes, and also we can make toys, and also we can make seize bottles. Okay beta, and also insulation of wires. For that purpose also we can use low density polyethylenes. Okay beta, good. Next one is nothing but HDPE. Sir, what is meant by HDPE? High density polyethylene, or simply we can say that high density polyethylene. What is the use of high density polyethylene? They are used in making bottles. They are used in making buckets, plastic buckets beta. They are used in making dustbins, and also they are used in making oil seals and gaskets. Very important. Okay beta, good. So same monomer and polymer, दो भी same structures. Okay, but यहाँ पर condition change करना पड़ेगा. So low density polyethylene, high density polyethylene, both are having same monomer, that is nothing but the ethene, and also we can say that ethylene. So n moles of CH2 double bond CH2. N moles of ethane, okay, monomer unit undergo addition polymerization by using thoda sa little bit same temperature but little bit less na 330 to 350 Kelvin. And okay, pressure यहाँ पर बहुत ही कम लेना पड़ेगा बिल्कुल, that is equal to only 1 atmosphere. And this reaction was takes place very important. The catalyst is called Ziegler-Natta catalyst. What is the catalyst for LDPE preparation? Traces of oxygen or peroxide, and catalyst for HDPE is Ziegler-Natta catalyst beta. I will give you the formula. I hope you may know very well, but once again you have to be remember. Okay, so same thing here also we are getting same type of structure, bond CH2, the chain will be takes place continuously beta. So the structure is nothing but the HDPE. Okay, next, and I want to tell you now, sir, what is mean by Ziegler-Natta catalyst? So the formula is nothing but C2H5 taken thrice Al means triethyl aluminium, and also we can say that TiCl4. The meaning is nothing but titanium tetrachloride. This mixture is known as Ziegler-Natta catalyst. So this catalyst will have to be used in the preparation of HDPE polymers. So question was repeated. So among the following, okay, the catalyst used in HDPE polymer is Ziegler-Natta, and try to remember the composition formula. Good. Next polymer I am going to tell you in addition category beta. You suppose this is nothing but the Teflon, very important. Teflon beta. Teflon, one more name is nothing but we can say that PTFE. What we can say beta? PTFE means polytetrafluoroethene. Polytetrafluoroethene. So in Teflon, what is the monomer is there? Monomer is TFE. What is meant by TFE? Tetrafluoroethene. This is ethene. यहाँ पर tetrafluoroethene. All 4 hydrogens are replaced by fluorine beta. So the structure is nothing but n moles of CF2 double bond CF2. This is called TFE. It's going to be act as monomer. What is the monomer of Teflon? TFE. Tetrafluoroethene. CF2 double bond CF2. Okay. So for the preparation of Teflon, we require a suitable catalyst. The catalyst is nothing but the NH4 taken twice, S2OH at higher pressure. NH4 taken twice, S2OH means ammonium peroxide disulfate. It's going to be used as catalyst in the preparation of what beta? Teflon. Again same thing, double bond becomes single bond. So we can write now bond CF2, taken N. This is your structure of what beta? Teflon, and also we can say that N indicates polytetrafluoroethene. Okay na beta? Good. So what are the uses of Teflon? Teflon ka very important use. It was used in making non-stick surface coated utensils. Nothing but non-stick cookware materials. They are made inside the interior. They are coated with what? Teflon coating. So non-stick utensils are made with what beta? Teflon. In Teflon, what is the monomer? TFE, tetrafluoroethene. For Teflon preparation, what is the catalyst? Ammonium peroxide disulfate. Good. Yes, not only non-stick nana, yes, Teflon can be used in making what beta? Is used for insulation of wire. So electrical wire को ऊपर से coating करने के लिए भी अपन Teflon use कर सकते हैं. And also it was used in making oil seals to avoid the oil leakages, and also it was used in gaskets. So oil seals and gaskets में भी अपन क्या use कर सकते हैं बेटा? Teflon. Good. So you have to be focused first of all on the monomer nana. If you know the monomer name and monomer structure, okay, now their respective preparations and their respective final formula you can see easily. Good. Yes, next one, fourth one I am going to tell you here. You suppose that is nothing but the pan. Sir, what is meant by pan? Pan is nothing but the polyacrylonitrile. So pan abbreviation is nothing but what beta? Polyacrylonitrile. Polyacrylonitrile. And one more name of pan, remember कीजिए बेटा. Okay, I will tell you later what is the meaning of pan beta. Polyacrylonitrile. Yes, in that what will be the monomer? Monomer is nothing but acrylonitrile. Okay beta, what is the formula of acrylonitrile? CH2 double bond CH below plane connected to Cn. This is called vinyl cyanide. Vinyl cyanide, it is also known as what beta? Acrylonitrile, AN. So n moles of acrylonitrile is going to be act as monomer. So monomers upon addition polymerization by using the catalyst. The catalyst is called Fenton's reagent. What is the catalyst in pan polymer? Fenton's reagent. What is the formula of Fenton's reagent? FeSO4 plus H2O2. Ferrous sulfate plus what beta? Hydrogen peroxide. This mixture is known as Fenton's reagent. So acrylonitrile upon addition polymerization changes into polyacrylonitrile. Just a double bond have to be converted to single bond and chain continuation will be takes place here. So this is your formula what beta? PAN, polyacrylonitrile. Okay na beta? Good. So what is the use of polyacrylonitrile? So PAN, and also we can say that polyacrylonitrile. It is used as substitute for wool. It is used as a what beta? Substitute for wool. Especially this wool we are using in making commercial fibers. The commercial fiber name is nothing but the Orlan. And also we can say that one more name is called Acrylon. So Orlan, and also we can say that Acrylon, nothing but the another name of PAN. So we can say PAN, or we can say Orlan, and also we can say that Acrylon. The monomer is nothing but the AN, acrylonitrile. And it was used, it was prepared by using the reagent is nothing but what beta? Fenton's reagent. Okay, good. So next one is nothing but I am going to tell you here, that is nothing but the PVC. What is mean by PVC beta? Polyvinyl chloride. So P indicates poly and V indicates vinyl beta and C indicates chloride. PVC means polyvinyl chloride. What is the use of PVC? Yes, you know very well. PVC, okay, especially farmers use करते बेटा, okay ना field में use करते, that is nothing but the water pipes. So water pipes, and also we can say that raincoats. Okay, so water pipes and raincoats and handbags and also tablecloths and insulation purpose also we can use what beta? PVC अपन use कर सकते हैं. Good. So what is the monomer in PVC? VC, that means vinyl chloride. Yes, n moles of vinyl chloride they have to be taken. N moles of vinyl chloride, CH2 double bond, C is connected to Cl. N moles of vinyl chloride, it undergo the process addition polymerization in presence of peroxides. Yes, you are going to get the product is nothing but bond CH2, bond CH, below plane Cl, double bond changes into one beta single bond. Okay, this is nothing but taken in. So monomer is nothing but vinyl chloride. Upon addition polymerization in presence of peroxide, it changes into the product. The product is nothing but what beta? PVC, polyvinyl chloride. Okay, yes, you just already I have told you beta. Next one is nothing but try to remember. This is nothing but the polystyrene. Next, what is the addition polymer beta? Polystyrene. What is the monomer? Styrene is the monomer. Okay, so what is the use of polystyrene polymer? Polystyrene polymer, it was used in making wrapping materials. Which materials beta? Wrapping materials. Nothing but the chocolate covers, man. They are made with what? Polystyrene. Yes, and also we can use, okay, they can be used in making toys. And they can be used, okay, it can be used as insulator also beta. Nothing but for insulation of wires also we can use. Okay, now, good. And also some of the radio and TV pods, they are made with what beta? Polystyrene. And एक बार नीट एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन रिपीट हुआ था सीट एग्जाम में. Baby feeding bottles. Baby feeding bottles are made with which polymer? Polystyrene. So polystyrene was used in making what beta? Baby feeding bottles. So baby feeding bottles are made with what beta? Polystyrene. Try to be focused on that. Okay, what is the monomer? Styrene. What is mean by styrene? Styrene, another name is called vinyl benzene. You have to be focused on this word. What is mean by styrene? Vinyl benzene. यही के इसी वर्ड के ऊपर फोकस रखना पड़ेगा. So n moles of vinyl benzene, and also we can say that n moles of styrene. It undergo the process addition polymerization. Again same thing in case of peroxide. In case of what beta? Peroxide. It going to be from the product is nothing but same thing beta. Double bond becomes single bond. Okay, and below CH connected to what is the group? Phenyl group, and also we can say that C6H5. Okay, taken N we have to be right now. So styrene upon addition polymerization, it going to be from the product. The product is nothing but what beta? Polystyrene. And you just already I have told you. Okay, na beta? Good. And in that category, one more I want to be considered. That is nothing but the polypropylene. What beta? Polypropylene. And also we can say that polypropylene भी अपन बोल सकते हैं ना. Polypropylene or polypropylene. Okay. So the monomer is nothing but what? Propene. Okay. What is the formula of propene? CH2 double bond CH, and it connected to CH3. 3 carbon prop double bond in propene. So n moles of propene, it going to be act as monomer. Upon addition polymerization, double bonds are converted into a single bond. So we can write now bond CH2, bond CH, and below plane connected to CH3. This chain will be takes place continuous. So the product name is nothing but what beta? Polypropene is your final product here. Polypropene. Okay, but polypropene preparation takes place in case of peroxide. And also here for this purpose we can use another also, that is nothing but the Ziegler-Natta catalyst. This also we can use beta. Which catalyst? Either peroxide, and also we can use, okay beta, Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Any one catalyst we can use here. And what is the use of polypropene, sir? Polypropene can be used in making pipes, and also it can be used in making fibers, and also useful in making ropes. Yes, and also it can be used in making toys materials beta. Okay, all of you. So this is the story about the, okay now, around 6 to 7 types I have told you. All they are nothing but the addition polymers. Because of in that all they are having only one type of monomer unit. So okay, now all these 7 they are homopolymers, only one type of unit. And all these 7 are addition polymers because of in that all monomers are having double bonds. Okay beta, good. Now another type of story I am going to tell you. Okay beta. Yeah, here now I am going to discuss about the synthetic rubbers. So natural rubbers on the process of, based on the process of what now vulcanization, they goes to be converted into the highly vulcanized rubbers. Such highly vulcanized rubbers are nothing but what beta? Synthetic rubbers. So let me here I want to discuss about the 3 types of synthetic rubbers. In that number 1 is Buna S rubber. Which rubber beta? Buna S rubber. First of all, tell me, sir, what are the uses of Buna S rubber? Buna S rubber, it was used in making automobile tires. कहाँ पर यूज करते हैं बेटा? We are using in automobile tires. Okay, and also we are using in footwears. So okay, now most of the all the footwears they are made with what beta? Buna S. Next, go for continue. So Buna S, it also contain 2 monomers. So one is nothing but the, I am going to write the formula, CH2 double bond CH, again bond CH, double bond CH2. So this is nothing but butadiene 1 and 3. So the monomer name is called 1,3 butadiene. Monomer is 1,3 butadiene. So we have to take n moles of monomer. And one more monomer comes from S. S refers to the styrene. Just now I have told you what is the formula of styrene. This is formula of vinyl group. Vinyl group connected to what beta? Benzene. CH2 double bond CH. Below plane we have to be write what beta? C6OH5. So CH2 double bond CH, and below plane phenyl group is there. Vinyl benzene is nothing but what beta? Styrene. So these are the 2 respective monomers of Buna S rubber. One is 1,3. Bu indicates butadiene. S indicates styrene. So here we are going to take the N moles. So 1,3 butadiene and styrene, 2 different units are there. So copolymer, but both are having double bond. Again we can say addition beta. Okay. So now such 2 monomer units, they undergo the addition polymerization due to presence of double bonds. But addition polymerization formation takes place in presence of sodium metal. Question was repeated. Okay, so in Buna S and Buna N rubbers, which metal you are going to use? Sodium acts as catalyst. And also we can use what beta? Peroxide भी अपन use कर सकते हैं as such. Okay, now what will be the product? Same thing, double becomes single, single becomes double, like that we have to be right now. Okay, so first of all I am going to write the structure here. Bond CH2, double bond becomes single bond. Again after that CH single become double. Again यहाँ पर CH group is there. After that double bond becomes what beta? Is CH2. Yes, this pi bond was shifted here. So this is nothing but what now? Again we have to write CH2. CH2 double bond become single bond. Again CH below plane. What is the group is there? Phenyl group is there, and also we can write C6OH5. So this is your taken in लिख सकते हैं. So this is the structure of what beta? Buna, yes rubber, butadiene form, and also we can say styrene form. Okay na? Yes I have told you beta. Next go for another rubber 2. That is nothing but the Buna N rubber. Same. Bu indicates butadiene, S indicates styrene. Bu indicates butadiene, N indicates nitrile. Which nitrile? Acrylonitrile. Okay beta? Yes, what are the uses? So it was used in making oil seals, and also we can say it was used in making tank linings to avoid the leakage beta, and also it was used in making hoses. Sir, what is mean by hoses? So पेट्रोल पंप में वो पेट्रोल ओके ना पंप करने के लिए वो वायर रहता है ना बेटा. So that is nothing but what beta? Hoses, and also protective gloves. They are made with what beta? Bina S rubber. Okay. First monomer is nothing but this is CH2 double bond CH, again bonded to CH double bond CH2. So this is nothing but what beta? 1,3 butadiene. 1,3 butadiene. Okay, undergo addition with what? N. N indicates another monomer, that is nothing but what beta? CH2 double bond CH, below plane CN. This is called the acrylonitrile. Again same thing, they undergo addition polymerization in presence of sodium or peroxide. Double become single, single become double. दो को यहाँ पर क्लब कर देना बेटा. Okay, so the product formula is bond CH2, double bond become single bond. Again यहाँ पर single bond become what बेटा? Double bond. Next यहाँ पर क्या लिखना बेटा? Again bond CH2, again it connected to next mole of CH2, again double bond becomes single bond. CH below plane, what is the group is there? Cn is there. Again taken N. This is your structure of what beta? Buna N rubber. Okay. Next one is nothing but third rubber I want to tell you here, neoprene, and also we can say that polychloroprene. Yeah, which rubber beta? Neoprene. What is the another name of neoprene? Neoprene, another name is nothing but we can say polychloroprene. Yes, you should be remember this name, otherwise you can't identify the monomer of neoprene. So what is the monomer of neoprene? Chloroprene. So neoprene, one more name is nothing but polychloroprene. So in that the monomer is nothing but chloroprene. What is the formula of chloroprene? CH2 double bond C, below plane it connected to Cl, again it bonded to what beta? CH double bond CH2, looking like 1,3 butadiene, but second place connected to Cl. So we can say this is nothing but the 2-chloro 1,3 butadiene, 2-chloro 1,3 butadiene. Okay na beta? Yes. So 2-chloro 1,3 butadiene, this is called chloroprene. It's going to be act as monomer. So number of monomer units or number of chloroprene units, they undergo addition polymerization, not in presence of sodium metal, only यहाँ पर peroxide. Otherwise we can take that traces of what beta? Oxygen also we can use, but not sodium metal. Only N9S Buna forms using sodium metal. Okay, N moles of chloroprene upon addition polymerization in case of peroxide or traces of O2. So the product is bond CH2, double bond becomes single bond. C below plane connected to Cl, again यहाँ पर single bond become double bond. Next it connected to what is the group beta? CH, again double bond becomes single bond. Again it connected to what? CH2 taken N. So this is your polymer. The polymer name is nothing but the polychloroprene, and also we can say that neoprene. Listen carefully. Monomer contain double bond, monomer contain double bond. All three are addition polymers. But these are the two are the copolymer, two different units are there. But this is nothing but homopolymer, only one type of unit is there. Okay na beta? Good. Very, very, very important neoprene. Okay? Good. So what are the uses of neoprene? Neoprene, it was used in making conveyor belts, nothing but which are moving upon the electromagnetic rollers beta. Next, and they can be used in making okay na safety belts making में भी use कर सकते हैं बेटा. And also we can say that they are used in making shoe heels, and also we can say that they are used in making surgical gloves. Doctors use करते हैं ना बेटा. So in the surgical gloves also we are going to use what beta? Yes, neoprene. Okay, all of you? Yes, category about the synthetic rubbers completed. Next category polymers, they are nothing but the synthetic plastics. And this category we have to be say that formaldehyde resins. Okay, na? Formaldehyde resins, and also we can say that synthetic plastics. Means in the making of these plastics, in the synthesis of these plastics, they are using one of the monomer is common. The common monomer is nothing but formaldehyde. Okay, in that let me write number 1. Urea formaldehyde resin. What beta? Urea formaldehyde resin. So same thing here. It is also synthetic plastic. Where we are using this resin, we are using in making unbreakable cups, and also we are using in making laminated sheets. Nothing but in lamination sheets also we are using what beta? Urea formaldehyde plastics. Okay. So how many monomers are there? 2 monomer, 8 urea or 8 formaldehyde. So let me read first of all what is the formula of urea. NH2 bonded to C double bond O, again C double bond O bonded to NH2. So the name of this compound is nothing but what beta? Urea. So N moles of urea, one of the monomer, and N moles of formaldehyde, second monomer. What is the formula of formaldehyde? HCHO, and also we can say that CH2O. So N moles of urea and N moles of formaldehyde, both are nothing but the monomers. So 2 different units are there, we can say copolymer, and here more than one functional groups are there, we can say that what are condensation polymers. So it is an example of co and condensation category beta. Good. So what to do now? Simply upon heating, we are going to lose the N moles of water molecule. So how to remove the water molecule? That one I want to tell you now. So from NH2 species, first of all we have to remove the H. Okay, and from again another NH2 is there na beta. From here also we have to remove the one hydrogen. So 2 hydrogen atoms combines with O again goes to be eliminated in the form of water molecule. NH2 bond, C double bond O bond beta, NH2. So the compound name is nothing but what beta? Urea. It upon reaction with formaldehyde, N moles of formaldehyde. Yes, N moles of HCHO, and also we can say that N moles of formaldehyde. So upon condensation, definitely there will be loss of water molecule. I have told you in yesterday class. So after loss of H from NH2, remaining is nothing but NH. It connected to C double bond O group. Again after loss of H from NH2, so we have to be say that it is also NH. From formaldehyde we are removing O, so remaining is nothing but only CH2. Overall we have to write that taken N. So this is your urea formaldehyde resin, useful in making unbreakable cups, and also we have to say that useful in making lamination sheets. Okay na? Right. Now I am going to give you another resin formula. Right, beta. Next formaldehyde resin is Novolac. So first of all try to know, sir, what is meant by Novolac? Novolac is a linear chain polymer of 2 monomers. One is nothing but phenol and 1 mole is nothing but formaldehyde. So the combination of phenol and formaldehyde, condensation of phenol and formaldehyde, upon linear cross linking, it's going to be formed the product is nothing but Novolac. So what is the use of novelite? Important question and repeated done. It was used in making paints. Painting preparation use कर सकते हैं बेटा. Good. So what is the first? Okay now what is the first monomer beta? Phenol. Okay, I'm going to be right here phenol. Benzene bonded to OH. What is the next monomer? Formaldehyde. Okay, I'm going to be write the formula CH2O. Let me take first of all n moles of phenol and यहाँ पर n moles of formaldehyde. So first of all n moles of phenol upon condensation with what beta? N moles of formaldehyde. Simply upon heating there will be loss of each molecule. Yes, definitely upon condensation elimination of water molecule will be there now. So this is the ortho site. From ortho site I am going to remove the H from two ortho sites. दो hydrogen remove कीजिए. It combines with O and goes to be eliminated in the form of water molecule. So remaining what will be the structure? Same thing, benzene bonded to OH. So from this site we are okay ortho site we are removing hydrogen atom. चला टाइम बढ़ता सर. हाँ, more than. Okay, so after the removal of hydrogen, the chain I want to be continue here. Again right side ortho, वहाँ से भी क्या remove कर रहे बेटा? Hydrogen we are removing. So this chain also we can make continue. And from formaldehyde we are removing O, H, H, O, eliminated in the form of water molecule. And remaining form is nothing but CH2. Okay now. So this chain we can make continue beta. Again if you want you can write here another mole of benzene bonded to OH. Again we can write CH2. This chain will be takes place continue. Phenol CH2, phenol CH2, phenol CH2. Such linear chain continuation will be takes place. Such a linear chain polymer of phenol and formaldehyde is called novolac. And you just I have told you. Okay beta? Good. Another reason I am going to tell you one more thing. Okay, that is nothing but the bakelite. It is very important. Bakelite or we can say bakelite as you wish. So bakelite is nothing but a cross-link polymer of bakelite is a cross-link polymer of phenol plus what beta? Formaldehyde. Same monomer. Novolac also contains phenol formaldehyde. यहाँ पर also we can say phenol and formaldehyde. But this is linear chain polymerization. But यहाँ पर क्या होते? Two linear chains. They are connected by the branches. Nothing but we can expect the cross links. So directly I am going to show you the structure of bakelite. Okay na beta? By taking phenol and formaldehyde. Okay? Right. So bakelite is nothing but a cross-link polymer of phenol and formaldehyde. Let me write same structure. Benzene bonded to OH. Again it connected to CH2. Again same thing beta, benzene bonded to OH. Again you suppose it connected to CH2. And you suppose this is nothing but the polymer chain number 1, looking like novolac. Now I want to consider another novolac form. Same thing, benzene bonded to OH. Again it connected to CH2. Next beta, benzene bonded to OH. Again you suppose it connected to CH2. This is chain number 2. So how many novolac forms are there? Linear form, linear form. Now two linear polymer chains, they are connected by the cross links. The cross link is again using formaldehyde. यहाँ से H, यहाँ से H, यहाँ से O. Removing the form of water molecule, remaining is CH2. Like this. Again here also same thing. So this is the, so we have to say this is the cross link point. Linear chain, they are linked by the cross links. So this is the cross link polymer of phenol plus formaldehyde is bakelite. Linear polymer of phenol plus formaldehyde is called novolac. I hope you understand. Good. So what are the uses of bakelite? Bakelite का uses बताना है तो we have to say that first of all, used in making combs. Combs किससे prepare करते हैं? Bakelite. Used in making electrical goods, especially we have to say that switches, nothing but switching boards. And also we can say that used in making plugs. Okay, now plugs also made with what beta? Yes, bakelite. Yes, and also we have to say that these are used in making fountain pens. A question repeated beta. And very important, these are used in phonographic records. Nothing but magnetic tape records. Yes, and also these are used in radio and TV pods. So all these are nothing but the uses of beta bakelite. Very, very, very important because of it contain more toughness due to presence of more number of cross links. Okay, now good. Yeah, next in the resins category, fourth one I am going to tell you now. That is nothing but the male MAC. Male MAC. What is mean by male MAC? Male MAC contain two monomers. One is nothing but melamine. One more is nothing but what beta? Formaldehyde. Yes. So let me tell you first of all what is the uses of male MAC. Male MAC is a highly branched cross-linking polymer, and we have to say that it is used in making unbreakable cups and plates. Nothing but crockery materials. All they are made with what beta? Male MAC. So it contains how many monomers? Two monomers. Number one is melamine. The structure is yes. Now, alternate carbons, they are occupied by the nitrogen, same looking like benzene, 3 carbons, but again remaining 3 carbons, they are occupied by the nitrogen. So, such carbon positions are connected to 3 amine groups. So, this is the structure of what beta? Melamine. N moles of melamine monomer undergo condensation with N moles of what is the common monomer? Another one is formaldehyde beta. So simply upon heating, we are going to lose the N moles of water molecule. Because of this, the reaction is condensation. So in the condensation, definitely there will be elimination of water molecule beta. Okay, good. So how to remove the water molecule? From here H, from here another H, like that we can remove. 2 hydrogens combines with O in the form of H2O. Again here we can take another melamine with the help of this NH2. Okay, na? Yeah. So what will be the product? The product is finally, first of all we have to take the melamine, nitrogen, nitrogen, again nitrogen, double bond, double bond, double bond. Okay, beta. So from here we removed one of the hydrogen, remaining is NH. From right side also we have removed one more hydrogen, again the remaining group is nothing but NH. So 2 hydrogen combines with O, in the form of it goes to be eliminated H2O, remaining is nothing but what? CH2. So this chain will be takes place continuously. This is linear chain. By taking another mole of melamine, we will form the cross link. So this chain will be takes place continuously, downside also. Same ulta group we can consider below. Okay, na beta? Good. So uses also I have told you, na beta? Yes. So how many formaldehyde and synthetic plastics we have studied here? One is urea formaldehyde resin, one more is phenol formaldehyde, again one more is phenol formaldehyde. In phenol formaldehyde 2 resins are there, one is linear chain, one more is cross-linking chain, and one more is melamine formaldehyde resin. Okay beta? Yes. So all types of resins are completed. I hope according to my opinion, all types of non-biodegradable polymers are completed, which cannot be degraded by microorganisms. Now I want to tell you, now I am going to discuss about the biodegradable polymers. Okay beta, first of all, try to say that what is mean by biodegradable polymers. Biodegradable polymers. Yes. Biodegradable polymers. Degradable means they undergo decomposition. So the polymers which are decomposed by microorganisms. Microorganisms mean actually microorganisms, they are going to release the enzymes. Such enzymes, they are responsible for what, Nana? Decomposition of the respective polymers. So decomposition maybe takes place in the mechanism of oxidation, and also you can say in the mechanism of what, Nana? Hydrolysis. So once again, the polymers which can be decomposed by the enzymatic oxidation or enzymatic hydrolysis. but the enzymes are released by what, Nana? Microorganisms. Such polymers are nothing but the biodegradable polymers, and they are eco-friendly polymers, do not cause a serious effect on the environment. So let me write first of all what are the examples are there. One is nothing but PHBB, and one more is nothing but, okay, that is nothing but the dextron, and one more example is nothing but, I want to tell that nylon 2,6, not 6,6. 6,6 is non, nylon 6 is also non, but this is nylon 2,6 beta. So try to remember these three examples be perfectly. PHBB and dextron, nylon 2,6, these are the what, Nana? Polymers of biodegradable category. Okay, let me write number 1. PHBB. Yes, what is the abbreviation of this, Nana? So first of all, P indicates here poly. Yes, here H indicates okay, H indicates what, on hydroxy, but hydroxy position is beta, so we can say that poly beta hydroxy. B indicates butyrate. Poly beta hydroxy butyrate and co beta hydroxy, and last में capital V is there, so that indicates valerate. So once again abbreviation, poly beta hydroxy butyrate co beta hydroxy valerate. Okay na beta? Right. And PHBB contain two types of monomers. How many monomers? Two types of monomers. One is nothing but the kitne monomers beta? Yes, it contains mainly two monomers. In that number one is 3-hydroxy butanoic acid, and one more is nothing but the 3-hydroxy pentanoic acid. 3-hydroxy butanoic acid and 3-hydroxy pentanoic acid. 3-hydroxy butanoic acid, it provides the stiffness. It provides the what, beta? Stiffness. And 3-hydroxy pentanoic acid, okay, and also we can say that valeric acid, as a Vishnana, it's going to be from the product is nothing, it provides the flexibility. Okay, good. So directly you know the structures of 3-hydroxy butanoic acid and you know the structures of 3-hydroxy pentanoic acid. Structures, okay, na drag कीजिए बेटा and eliminate the water molecule. After that you are going to get the structure is PHBB. Directly I am going to give the structure. O bonded to CH, CH below plane it connected to CH3. Again it connected to CH2, CH2 connected to C double bond O. Again it connected to what, beta? O, O connected to CH, CH below plane C2H5 group is there. Again it connected to CH2, CH2 bonded to C double bond O, taken N. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the form coming from 3-hydroxy butanoic acid. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, second form coming from the 3-hydroxy pentanoic acid. So these are nothing but the what, Nana? Okay, COO, taken N. Nothing but what? Polyester category. I have told you yesterday, PHBB in as example of polyester because of polycondensation products of dicarboxylic acids and diols. Okay, na beta? Good. So what are the uses of PHBB? PHBB used in medicine. Medicine में use कर सकते हैं. For which purpose? For making capsules. And it can be used in again medicine field for the treatment. Especially it was used in orthopedic devices. In making orthopedic devices, it can be used beta. Next, and it was okay now. Where use of PHBB is okay now. Controlled release of drugs. Drugs को inside inject करने के लिए भी we can take the help of what, PHBB. So we can say it can be used for controlled release of drugs. Yes, drug release करने के लिए भी use कर सकते हैं बेटा. Okay, story good. Next one is in that biodegradable category. Let me explain first of all about the nylon 2,6. 2,6 means first monomer contain 2 carbon and second monomer also contain what, beta? Here 6 carbons. Okay, what is the first monomer? First of all, I am going to write here NH2. NH2 bonded to CH2, CH2COOH. What is the name of this compound? The compound name is called glycine. One amino acid, fundamental amino acid. So it's going to be act as one of the monomer, and in that nitrogen contain 2 carbon, nylon 2 over. Next nylon 6, we require another monomer. Again same structure beta, NH2 bonded to CH2, again CH2 bonded to COOH. It is also looking like what, a glycine, but here for CH2 taken 5. So the name of this compound is called aminocaproic acid. Very important. So one is glycine, one more is aminocaproic acid. Both are nothing but the monomers of nylon 2,6 beta. Yes, यहाँ पर भी N mole अपन ले सकते हैं. So upon addition polymerization, from here I am going to remove H. So remaining is nothing but bond NH. Is NH connected to what? CH2. Again from we are going to remove the OH. Remaining is nothing but CO, nothing but double bond O. Again यहाँ से भी तुम H remove कर सकते हैं. Simply we can write NH. Again from here we can write now CH2 taken 5. Again it connected to C double bond O. From here we can remove OH nana. It is nothing but taken N. So this is the structure of what beta? Nylon. Nitrogen contain 2 carbon. Again after nitrogen 5 plus 1 6 carbons are there. So this is your nylon 2,6. What are the monomers of nylon 2,6? Glycine and aminocaproic acid. Two different copolymer, more than one functional condensation polymer. Good. What are the uses of nylon 2,6? All nylon polymers, they are used in making especially fabrics and ropes, and also we can say that fibers and ropes. Okay na? Good. So last and final biodegradable category nana. That is nothing but the dextran. Very important. Dextran. So try to remember dextran. One more name is, in bracket I am going to show the symbol, PGA plus PLA. PGA plus PLA. Polyglycolic acid and polylactic acid. Both are nothing but the monomers of what beta? Dextran. Means poly लेने की जरूरत नहीं. So means number of glycolic acid, number of moles of lactic acid. Such two monomers we have to be take for dextran. Okay. First of all, glycolic acid. Poly means N moles. So N moles of HO connected to CH2, CH2 connected to COOH. So this is the formula of what beta? Glycolic acid. Polyglycolic acid undergo condensation with polylactic acid. HO connected to CH, again CHO connected to COOH. Looking like same formula, but one of the hydrogen replaced by CH3. This is your what beta? Lactic acid. They undergo condensation. So from here OH group, we have to be remove the H because of acidic in nature. Next O connected to what is the group beta? CH2. Again from carboxylic acid we are removing OH group. Remaining is nothing but C double bond O. Okay na? Next C double bond O connected to, from here also we can remove the H. Again it connected to O. Again here पर CH is there. CH iboplane, what is the group beta? Methyl. Again from here also we can remove OH. Remaining is nothing but C double bond O taken N. This is your dextran structure beta. Okay. So what is the use of dextran? Dextran was used for post-operative stitches. For post-operative stitches, nothing after surgery. Surgery के बाद okay ना wound को stitching करने के लिए, for stitching of wounds we are using what is the thread ना. So वो thread use करते हैं ना, that thread is nothing but dextran thread. Biodegradable, that goes to be decomposed inside the body. Okay ना बेटा? Good. So this is the story about the so PHBP contain polyester and nylon 2,6 contain polyamide, and again dextran contain polyester. Okay, but all they can be decomposed by the enzymatic oxidation or enzymatic hydrolysis, and they are eco-friendly polymers. They do not cause any serious effect on the environment. Yes. One more very important point I want to tell you. Types of molecular masses. What beta? Types of molecular masses. So polymers, they are having how many types of molecular masses? Polymers, they are having mainly two types of molecular masses. Number one is Mn bar. That means number average molecular mass. It goes to be calculated by the formula summation of MINI by summation of Ni. Next, number two is nothing but the weight average molecular mass, MW bar. Polymers, they are having two types of molecular masses. Number one is Mn bar, number two is Mw bar. Means number average molecular mass, weight average molecular mass. So what is the formula to calculate the weight average mass? Summation of mi square ni by summation of what, Nana? MINI. So what is meant by MINI? Yes, in this both formulas we have to be remember, Mi indicates the mass of particles, and Ni indicates the number of particles. So in the respective polymeric mixture, how many particles are there? And respective particles, they are having which type of masses. Okay, now they will provide the values, just to substitute in that and try to do the calculation. Okay, so what is meant by Ni beta? Number of particles which are present in the respective given sample of polymer. Okay, next, based on these two topics, I want to tell you one small meaning important for you. What is meant by PDI? P indicates poly beta and यहाँ पर D indicates dispersity. From this also questions repeated. Poly dispersity, and I indicates index. Poly dispersity index, PDI. So how to calculate PDI? PDI can be calculated by using the formula is, that is nothing but Mw bar by Mn bar. This is the formula. Means weight average molecular mass, the ratio of weight average molecular mass to the number average molecular mass, this is called PDI. And remember the PDI values. For all natural polymers, PDI equals to 1. Always fixed beta. So for all natural polymers, the PDI value should be equal to 1 because of weight average molecular mass and number average molecular mass, both should be equal in case of what? Okay, a natural polymer beta. And what about synthetic polymers? In case of synthetic polymers, PDI value, that should be always higher than 1 because of, in case of synthetic polymers, Mw value must be higher. So the reason is nothing but Mw bar is greater than Mn bar. Weight average molecular mass should be higher as compared to the number average molecular mass in case of what, beta? Synthetic polymer. That's why synthetics, they are having PDI value greater than 1. Okay, in between the range of 1 point, okay, na, within 1.3 like that, man. Okay, good. Something clearly? Yeah, good. So almost chapter was completed, but a few of the very important repeated points, just 4 to 5 repeated points, very important. So many times they are repeated. Such 4 to 5 points I want to tell you. Yeah, in that number 1, so the type of polymer, linear chain silicone polymer, linear chain silicone polymer. So for linear chain silicone polymer, what is the monomer unit? The formula is nothing but R2SiCl2, dichlorosilane, dialkyl silane, as you wish, Nana. Okay, R2SiCl2. So it's going to be act as monomer unit, and also we can say that simple unit for the polymer is nothing but linear chain silicone polymers. Next bit. What is the monomer unit for cross-linked silicone polymer? For cross-linked silicone polymer, the monomer unit is nothing but RSiCl3, means alkyl trichlorosilane. Okay, beta. Next question is monomer unit for chain termination चेन टर्मिनेशन, सिलिकॉन पॉलीमर. चेन टर्मिनेशन मीन्स चेन को वहीं पर स्टॉप करना है तो विच मोनोमर यूनिट वी हैव टू बी कंसिडर. मीन्स R group should be more. R3SiCl means trialkyl chlorocl. So trialkyl chlorocl, more alkyl groups, chain termination, more chlorine, okay na, cross links, and liberal form, that is nothing but linear chain polymer. Try to remember all three formulas regarding category. Linear chain monomer is R2SiCl2, cross link monomer is RSiCl3, chain termination is nothing but R3SiCl. All three are very very important, repeated I hope in all the exams. Next, one more very important point. What is the use of Lewis acid in polymers? Lewis acid, let me consider first of all, you suppose the example is nothing but AlCl3. So AlCl3, okay, now most of the Lewis acids, they are going to be used as initiators. Used as initiators for the process is nothing but what beta? In cationic polymerization. So in cationic polymerization process, which going to be used as initiator? All Lewis acid, answer is nothing but AlCl3. And one more very important point I want to tell you. Electron donating groups, they mostly favors the, electron releasing groups, they mostly favors the cationic polymerization. Cationic polymerization in the medium is nothing but what beta? Acidic medium. Yes, I am going to tell you one formula, one example. 3 examples I am going to write here. All they undergoing cationic polymerization, but which is fastly, which is more reactive, that one you have to be decided. Benzene bonded to CH, CH double bond CH2, nothing but vinyl benzene. Next, now isobutene formula. CH3 bond C, below plane CH3, again double bond CH2, isobutene formula. Next, propane formula I am going to be write that CH3 bonded to CH, again double bond CH2 propane. So actually all they undergoing cationic polymerization, okay, double bond compounds. But which easily and which is most reactive towards cationic polymerization? In which medium? Acidic medium. Okay, acidic medium means H plus given to the last carbon. So here you are getting secondary carbocation. H plus given to the last carbon. Here you are getting secondary carbocation. H plus given to the last one. Here you are getting secondary carbocation. As compared to secondary, tertiary carbocation is more stable. Okay, accepted. But as compared to tertiary, यहाँ पर क्या है? Secondary ना? Even it may be secondary, but this is which type of secondary? Secondary benzylic carbocation. So secondary benzylic carbocations are more stable. ये easy form हो सकता, means it is the order of reactivity towards the cationic polymerization according to stability concept of carbocation. Because of stability of carbocation is directly proportional to the electron donating group. Next, electron withdrawing groups, they favors the mostly what beta? Anionic polymerization. Anionic polymerization is one example I am going to write here. CH2 double bond CH, again bonded to Cl. Cl is nothing but electron withdrawing group. Again CH2 double bond CH, again it bonded to Cl, vinyl chloride. Cl is also electron withdrawing group. But in the two, which is the strongest electron withdrawing? Cl. This is weak withdrawing. So as withdrawing nature increases, anionic polymerization reactivity also increases now. Like that. Both are repeated questions. Okay? Good. Yes, beta. Next one is very very important polymer. Okay, this is not in theory syllabus, out of theory beta, is out of NCERT. PMMA, very important polymer. What do you mean by PMMA? Polymethyl, PMO. Next one is MA. MA indicates methacrylate, polymethyl methacrylate. This is the name of what nana? PMMA. Okay, the monomer is nothing but MMA, means methyl methacrylate. What is the formula? N moles of CH2 double bond CH, vinyl form. But यहाँ पर one of the carbon replaced by methyl group and another carbon also, and another side it connected to ester form COOCH3. This is the structure of what beta? MMA, means methyl methacrylate. This is the structure. One type of ester beta. So it upon addition polymerization, because of we are not taking help of ester group, we are taking the help of double bond. So during addition, double bond gets reduces into the what beta? Single bond. एंड ऊपर क्या लिखना पड़ेगा गारंटी CH3 लिखना पड़ेगा एंड बिलो प्लेन एबो प्लेन एस्टिस ग्रुप्स वी हैव टू बी राइट COO or beta CH3 just a double bond converted into single bond the chain continuation will be takes place. So this is your structure of what beta PMMA polymethyl methacrylate. What is the use of PMMA? It was used in making optical lenses. Very important question. So optical lenses are made with what beta PMMA. What is meant by optical lenses? Nothing but plexiglass. So plexiglasses are made with what beta PMMA, and also one more use is there, that is nothing but the aircrafts. Aircraft windows or glass materials, they are also made with what beta PMMA. Next one is nothing but, that is nothing but Dynel. What beta Dynel. Yes, it is also house of NCERT. Dynel is nothing but one type of polymer. Its another name is called Vinyl N. Dynel, or also we can say that Vinyl N. So it contain mainly how many monomers? 2 monomer units. Okay ना, यहाँ पर क्या है बेटा Vinyl, nothing but simply we have to be say that VC means vinyl chloride. You know the formula. And one more is N. N indicates what man? Acrylonitrile. So vinyl cyanide. So these 2 monomers we have to be considered. CH2 double bond CH below plane Cn vinyl chloride. CH2 double bond CH below plane Cn vinyl cyanide. These 2 are the monomers of what man? Dynel or Vinyl N. So it was used in making hair wigs. Important question. ये भी repeat हो चुका I hope. So hair wigs are made with what beta Dynel, and also we can say that Vinyl N. Okay. Remaining 2-3 other polymers are there. One is nothing but the polyurethane. So for this you don't need to know any monomer, just to try to remember the uses. Polyurethane. It was used in making mattresses, and also we can say that pillows. Next, yes, one more is nothing but I want to say that is nothing but the Lexan. 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 Lexan, and also one more is there. Lexan and Kevlar, both are nothing but the polymers. So Lexan and Kevlar, these polymers are used in making bulletproof glass materials. Okay beta, so this is also repeated question. Bulletproof glass materials or bulletproof windows, they are made with Lexan and Kevlar polymers. ओके ट्रेन में जर्नी करने के टाइम पर ओके ना फूड मटेरियल्स को ऊपर से कोटिंग करके लाते हैं ना पैकिंग. सो दैट इज आल्सो नथिंग बट वन टाइप ऑफ प्लास्टिक पॉलीमर. व्हाट इज द नेम? द नेम इज नथिंग बट सरल. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो सरल इज नथिंग बट दी one type of polymer which is used as a film, nothing but coating, okay now, film for wrapping food materials. So food materials, they are coated with some wrappers. So such wrappers are nothing but beta certain type of polymer. Okay na? Yes, तुम्हारा story. This is the story about what beta? पॉलीमर्स में अपने सारे कॉम्पिटिटिव पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू के लिए तुम यहाँ पर यूज़ कर सकते हैं बेटा. डेफिनेटली प्रीवियस ईयर ओके फ्रॉम सीईटी, प्रीवियस ईयर फ्रॉम पॉलीमर्स चैप्टर सीईटी में 2 क्वेश्चंस रिपीट हुआ बेटा. वन रिगार्डिंग नाइलॉन 6, आई होप मे बी वन मोर रिगार्डिंग नेचुरल रबर का इन्फॉर्मेशन. व्हाट इज मीन बाय नेचुरल रबर? ट्रांसफार्मा सिस-फार्मा सिस 1,4 पॉली आइसोप्रेन. दैट क्वेश्चन रिपीटेड बेटा. Okay, all of you? Good. So among the following, which polymer contains CH2 taken 5 group, nylon 6 nana? Okay, all of you? In which reaction, which polymer was prepared by the hydrolysis method? That is nothing but what nana? Nylon 6 from caprolactam. Hydrolysis, we are adding water molecule. In remaining methods, so many methods we are losing water molecule. But in that method, we have to add the water molecule. Okay, na? Yes, all these are very very important point. 2 questions आते बेटा, guarantee okay ना कैच कर लेना पड़ेगा. I hope you understand this clearly. Okay, good.